technology isn't my prime interest. But if you take the example of machine learning or AI in general, machine learning specifically, I think, and looking in the context of high velocity IT or XLA, I think because it can take on the algorithmic tasks that people often try to perform. I think it will give us the opportunity to make us more human and less algorithmic. Because what you often see is people are trying to be algorithms, but they're doing a poor job of it. People are bad at being algorithms, but they're good at being human. And if you think about artificial intelligence, and again, I'll refer to a LinkedIn article called AI: What's Left for Us, where I came to the conclusion that you should be thinking about the kind of things that AI can't address, like the wisdom in ambiguity. When you're faced with an ambiguous situation where you don't know whether it should be A or B, I think there's human wisdom can help you make that choice, whereas an algorithm can't. AI isn't that good at assessing the context for decision making. Can give you some raw material to consider, but the humans have a better understanding of the context. Think about the morals in values, the consequences of your actions. Thinking that through, that's a really human characteristic. Thinking about intuition in complex situations. These kind of, although and I use AI, Chat GPT, Copilot, Gemini quite a lot in my thinking, researching, writing. AI often comes up with ideas that I wouldn't have thought of myself. So it does give me triggers, does give me some seeds for innovation, for new ideas. But it's the human quality of deciding in that particular context what's best. And then I think the final thing, and that's very close to the XLA work, is the concept of empathy in relationships. That's a very human quality. Reassuring people that you understand their situation, taking appropriate action, exercising compassion in relationships. That's something that AI, well, certainly not there yet.